Right, let's go ahead and unbox this Blink video doorbell. First of all, let's take a look at all the features here. You can run it battery or wired. It's a 1080p video. It's got an infrared night video option, so you can see what's going on outside. Two-way audio. It's Alexa enabled, motion detection, and you can get it with the subscription. But if you add the sync, which is a separate device, you can do video recording right from the device here. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'll show you how we can set this up in battery mode or in wired mode. Pop this up. There we go. Bring this up like this and open it up, and there is the Blink video doorbell. Inside we have the doorbell itself, so we'll just pop that out and set that there. And then looks like we have the back plate. This is what's going to go on by the door or whatever. So what we got batteries, we got screws for mount, and then it looks like another piece here. There we go. This is looks like some sort of pin that we'll need to use. So we have the Blink video doorbell. We got a piece of plastic here. This is, of course, the lens to the doorbell. And then, of course, the button press right there. We have, looks like to be a hole for the microphone. On the bottom, okay, there's the bottom where we have probably the speaker. On the back here, looks like we have the place for the batteries. And then right here, this looks like how you would then plug it into if you took off your regular doorbell. It says to use 1.5 volt lithium batteries, which I'm finding to be a regular thing. We have the plate right here. This is where you would screw in your leads to the doorbell in the house if you have a wired doorbell, and then of course you would affix this to the side of your house. If you didn't have these, you just basically affix this to the side of your house anyway, and then you snap this on. All right, put a little pressure in there, and there we go. Now it's clipped, and there's some way to probably put a little screwdriver down here to release that clip. So this is the doorbell all set up. So if I press it, you're seeing a red light because we haven't had it set up. So we're going to go ahead and hit the plus sign here on our Blink here, and we're going to hit Blink video doorbell, and it says it would like to access the camera. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the QR code, which might be on the inside of this thing. So there's the QR code right here. So we're going to capture that QR code. And it says add to an existing system. So we'll just add it to our test system. It needs to be disarmed. We'll go ahead and disarm that. And we don't have the sync module, so we will add without a sync module. And that's where this key comes in. So it's showing us how to open up the module and put the batteries in. So we did that. We got a red flashing button. We'll hit discover device right there. And wants to join that Wi-Fi network, connect up, and then of course we got to put in the Wi-Fi. We'll save that password here, and it is discovering it, and it says that it's set up. So we'll hit continue. It's saying, do we want to mount it with the wiring or without the wiring? We're doing it without the wiring right now. And then some extra stuff here. We'll hit continue. Are you going to mount the Blink video doorbell in a place of existing doorbell? And we'll say yes. And it's just telling us what to do from there. Remember to always turn off the power if you are wiring up the doorbell, and you might need some special mounts to attach to that. So, and it says done. So we'll hit done here. So now this is my other Blink. There is the front doorbell. So when I press this, you hear the chime. From here, we can change some of the settings here. Enable the motion detection grid, so we don't have any photo available, but we will we'll add that soon. We can add the sensitivity, the clip length, the night vision if we want to turn that on or off, the IR intensity, enable audio, if we want to, and then of course the ringer volume. We can bring that down. We'll save that. And as that happened, my watch just said somebody is at your Blink video doorbell. So I'm going to hit this button and it's going to come up and say somebody's at your front door. So we're going to hit that. There we are. And we'll say, who's there? There we are. And hear what the response is. And so that's basically it. So now we know who's at the front door. We can either go there or we can say, nope, not going to do it, and close that out. And of course, that blue light closes out. Now, there's other features, of course, but it's best if you have it wired, because then you can use this. Otherwise, it's going to spend a lot of the battery just